Let me show you the revamped version of StationDeck, which you can find on StationDeck.com. StationDeck is the easiest way to play your custom jingles or any other audio track during your shows, during your podcast, for any occasion. It's free to use. That's my gift to you. You don't have to pay anything to use it. You just go to StationDeck.com. You create an account. It's not the same credentials as the AI Jingle Maker, so you have to recreate an account if you come from the Jingle Maker. And then you start using it for free, no limit whatsoever. Let's have a look under the hood to see what the StationDeck is offering. So this is the experience. This is the soundboard with 16 different pads. They will be empty by default, so when you land you will have something like this. You just click on the MP3 button to add your sounds. So if you upload your sounds, they will be stored here on StationDeck, and you can put them on any pad on the soundboard. So let's add this one, for instance, and here we will add another one, this one. And I will also show you how to add a file from your computer. So let's go to this one and select a file that we have here, this demo, for instance. We just upload it and it will be available there. We just add it to the soundboard. You can play each sound individually. So if you click on the play button, you also have a slider for the volume there. You will hear the sound immediately. Let's do that for this one.
Welcome to StationDeck, the easiest way to play MP3 files during your radio shows. The application is very simple.
So that's the sound here, but we will play the second one and the third one in a sequence. So let's select this one, which is marked as the first one. Let's select the second one, marked as 2, and we will apply a crossfade of roughly 3 seconds, which means that the second sound will start 3 seconds before the end of this one, because there is a trailing and a reverb tail here. So I want to start before the end, and we will just click on play sequence.
This is a demo of StationDeck, the easiest way to play custom jingles or any other audio track in your shows. Be creative.
So it started playing 3 seconds before the end because of this crossfade that I've set there. And I can also export my sequence. So if I click on export sequence, it will export an MP3 in a few seconds. And then I can go there and listen to it.
This is a demo of StationDeck, the easiest way to play custom jingles or any other audio track in your shows. Be creative.
So you can imagine that you can play as many sounds as you want in the order that you want. You can set a crossfade between them. The crossfade will be the same for all of them, and it's only applied at the end of the file. So if I put a crossfade of 3 seconds, it will start playing the next sound, the next file, 3 seconds before the end of the first one. That's the way it's working. So it starts immediately for the second one, but it starts 3 seconds before the end of the first one. That's the idea of this crossfade. You can remove the sound from the pad. You can add other sounds very easily like this. Just select a sound in the list of sounds that you have uploaded. I can add this one, for instance. You can also record your voice straight in the app. I have added a few features that we also have in the AI Jingle Maker with a very simple voice recorder. So let's do this. So you have here start recording. We will do it. I will record my voice to demo how you can record your own voice in StationDeck and then use this recording triggered by any of the pads on the soundboard. You can trim the recording here like this. You can listen to this trim selection. You confirm the trimming, and then you can add any effect you want. Let's add a small verb, and let's call it voice recording. Let's listen maybe to the preview before. I will record my voice to demo how you can record your own voice in StationDeck and then use this recording triggered by any of the pads on the soundboard. That's it. I add it to my list. It will be there as voice recording. I can add it to one of the pads on the soundboard. And then, if I want, I can play a sequence like we did before, using this one first and this one second. I will record my voice to demo how you can record. You get the concept. You can record your voice or upload a sound and use the sounds on any of the pads of this soundboard. You can also play a sequence in any order and you can export the sequence as an MP3. This is StationDeck. You can use it for free on StationDeck.com.